Hello guys, welcome to the second video of this series. Today we'll be looking at elementary time value problems to kind of familiarize ourselves with the whole process. I've taken two problems, one where both of them are a person who's going to college who will be needing $100,000. In the first case, he's investing the money himself. He's got a 2-year time horizon and an 8% rate of interest, and we need to find the present value, that is the amount that he'd need to invest right now. In the second case, there's a 20-year time horizon and his parents are making regular payments. We need to find what the payments need to be at an 8% rate of interest to reach 100,000. So we'll start off like we done last time. So once we have it on, we go to second and clear TVM. So this will clear all the time value variables. Then we go to n, we go to 2, and we go to n again. Then we enter the rate, that is I by y. The rate is 8%, I by y again. PV is what we need to calculate, so we'll leave that for now. PMT for the first sum is 0 because there are no payments in between. So PMT will be 0. We go to PMT and FV is 100,000, so we'll enter 100 and we go to FV. And now the final step, CPT. CPT is compute. So we'll go to CPT and we'll click on PV. And this will give us the value that we need. So 85,733 is what he would need to invest. The minus sign is basically because he is investing the money. So that is something that is an outflow from his side. So that is why we have the negative sign. So now let's clear the system again. Clear everything and we'll get working with the second sum. So n is 20, go to n. I by y is 8 again. PV this time is 0, so we'll enter PV as 0. PV. PMT is something that we need to calculate, so the annual payments that the parents would be making is something that we are calculating, so we'll leave PMT for now. And FV is again 100,000 FV. So now we go to compute and go to PMT and we get the value of 2185. So 2185 every year would give you this value at an 8% rate of return in 20 years. So that's just about it. Other calculations, so as in if you have any 4 of these values, the fifth one can be calculated using the same method.